95% of machine planing is done by means of rotating cutters, and we are very capable to do this type of diagonal. This is the cutter, it is spring loaded rollers which holds, and if it is feeding from here to here, it rotates in high speed, and it is actually shaving each and every particle of the wooden piece for making plane surface. This is the diagram of the revolving cutter. We can fix it, the gap, it is fixing for the blades. This is the another drawing, it is jigsaw. Another useful machinery is for taking required shape with the plane surfaced wooden planks. Jigsaw is used for cutting a wood the required shape. It is mostly used for cutting wood in curved shape. You see, this type of ornamental artificial level cutting can be done by this jigsaw machine. Jigsaw is very useful machineries for cutting different shapes of the plane surface wood base material for brushes. This is lathe. There are different types of lathe available, but in ordinary brush making unit, we need only high speed lathe with minimum mechanism, and highly sophisticated CNC machines available, but it is not required for our brush making unit. So, for revolving item, the cylindrical shaped brush like commode brush, banister brush, or stick like this for floor sweeping brush, we can utilize this type of machinery. It is called speed lathe or woodworking lathe. There are speed lathe, engine lathe, bench lathe, tool room lathe, sophisticated other type of computerized numerical control lathe also available, but we need not to go that portion. It is only required for our purpose brush making unit. So, speed lathe or woodworking lathe we are using. It has its own parts. It is important because for getting the specification, while we are getting this type of machine, we have to order according to the length of bed. This is bed, and it is headstock or light stock, and it is tailstock or deadstock, carriage for tool carriage and other thing, and we can also use some kind of tools either by hand or some devices also, tool holding devices also available. The bed of the base of the machine, all other parts is actually mounted on the bed, and the headstock is secured permanently the inner vise of the left hand of the lathe bed, and it provides mechanical means. Tailstock is the just opposites to hold the other end of the wooden plank for cylindrical shaped arc. And carriage, or it is also known as tool rest, has several parts to support to control the cutting tool. In case of wood turning lathe, carriage is considered only a saddle. Then another important machine is actually we are using in our brush making section, drilling machine for drilling holes. There are different kinds of machineries available: portable drilling machine, sensitive drilling machine, upright drilling machine, radial drilling machine, multiple spindling drilling machine, automatic drilling machines, deep hole drilling machines. But in brush making, we need the bench drilling or sensitive drilling machine.
1. Circular saw. 2. Lathe. 3. Drilling machine. 4. Top shearing machine. 5. Hand lever shear. 6. Wire twisting machine. 7. Bandsaw. 8. Planer. 9. Jigsaw. 10. Sander machine.